welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you my bullet journal and journal haul. And also my pen haul, which I bought from the local stores. To begin with, I will start with Signature Marvel from Matrikas. So basically this is a bullet journal, as you can see this, and this is in pure white, and they have also mentioned the page numbers over here. The quality of page is really good and it's thick also. So the next one is Let New Adventure Begin. This is by Doodle, and this cover is a little bit of leathery feel. And yeah, again this is a ruled notebook, but there is a little bit of doodle section over here. So as you can see, the quality of the paper for this notebook is really very nice and smooth, and thickness is also pretty good. So the next I got 3 bullet journal from Factor Notes, out of which I painted one of them with acrylic color, just for a good looking notebook. So that's that. And the next thing we have and then we have the next pen from Octane, Classmate Octane Gel, and then we have Pentel Energel 0.5. The next pen which I have is Maxtreme Gel pen from Cello, as you can see, and the next one is a red color pen. I don't know which company is this, but anyway I will test it out, all this pen, in my notebook and show it across to you. So to begin with, I will test it out on this bullet journal from Factor Notes. If you can see this, this is really very smooth, as you can see. The next one is Classmate Octane Gel. This is also very smooth, and I really like it. The next one is Cello Maxtreme Gel pen. I believe this has a little bit dried out, but anyway this is quite smooth. But yeah, the next one is Pentel Energels. So among 4 of this pen, out of 4 of this, I really feel that Classmate Octane Gel is really good, and it writes very smoothly on this paper. So next we will try out on our other bullet journals. So the first one here is Let New Adventure Begin. So I'll test it at the last page. Let's start with the red pen. Okay, this is writing very smooth. Octane. This is really very smooth. The next one is Cello. Yes, this is also quite smooth. And the last one is Pentel Energels. Yes, this is also very smooth, but again the clear winner is Octane. So let's try it out on our next notebook, which is Signature Marble Notebook from Matrikas. So if you see this, oh, this has a sticker sheet which I forgot to mention. Yeah, they have 4 sticker sheets which they have given, and they are really nice. So let's again begin with the red gel pen. This is good. Octane. Okay. And the Pentel. So here also again the clear winner is Octane. So as you can see that this is these notebooks are really good, and yes, I will, that's all what I have in my haul for journals and pen. So if you like a planning video on the bullet journal, do let me know in your comment section. I will make a separate video on that. So that's all for today. Thank you.